Do you aspire to excel in the field of database engineering? Are you seeking the right resources to help you gain an edge? Database engineering is a crucial component of the IT industry, underpinning efficient data pipelines and sophisticated database systems. Having a well-rounded understanding of these areas is key. We have a list of top books, handpicked just for you, to help you navigate your way in the database engineering world. Let's dive in. From the realm of computer science and IT, we bring to you 8 top database engineering books for 2024. The first book we have on our list is a treasure trove of knowledge for beginners. Authored by a renowned expert, this book delves deep into the world of database systems, offering insights that are both practical and enlightening. Moving on, we have a book that is an absolute must-have for those with an intermediate level of expertise. This book takes you on a journey through SQL, data modeling, and database design. It's a comprehensive guide that breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language. The third book in our lineup is a gem for advanced learners. This resource takes a deep dive into MySQL optimization, offering practical applications that you can implement right away. Next up, we have a book that caters to experts in the field. This book explores the intricacies of data system design, offering unique insights that are sure to take your skills to the next level. The fifth book on our list is a guide to NoSQL databases. This book offers a wealth of knowledge for those looking to expand their understanding of the dynamic field of database engineering. Our sixth book takes a closer look at data warehousing. Authored by a leading expert, this book provides practical insights that can be applied in real-world scenarios. The final 2 books in our list are treasure troves of knowledge that cater to all levels of expertise. These books delve deep into the world of database engineering, offering insights that are both practical and enlightening. Each of these books, authored by renowned experts in the field, offers unique insights and practical applications that will undoubtedly empower you to make your mark in the dynamic field of database engineering. So, ready to turn the pages and embark on your journey to become a database engineering expert? These books are your ticket to mastering the dynamic world of database engineering. They're not just books, they're your pathway to success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. Visit our website, justatrends.com, for more updates on the latest trends in AI and database engineering. Keep learning, keep growing.